everyone! Today I'm going to make a Philippine flag. The things that we are going to use are the following: scissors, glue or a glue stick. I'm going to use glue. Art paper. I'm going to use red, blue, and yellow. And poster paper and barbecue sticks. Now I'm going to make the Philippines flag. My mom helped me cut out the stars and the sun. And I'm going to use the glue stick because there's no more glue in the glue bottle. Okay, let's do it. Oh, no. Oh. Again. There we go. Here we go. Kind of very like. There we go. Oh no, not it. Move it, move. It's stuck. Wait, that's okay. It's stuck. Okay. Reach. Can it reach? That's okay. Okay, so hard. Good. Okay, let's do. Okay, there you go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's okay. Put the sun there. Okay. Wait again. Okay, remove it. Need more space. Just okay. I put the little stars. Put the little stars there. There we go. There we go. And here's the next star right here. The next one goes right here. And okay, but with okay, there's one. We'll just use that. Yeah. The glue on my hands. Start here. Stick found the other star, and it's now time to do the back. Okay, there's the thing. Oh no. Hold on. Miss. Perfect. Okay. Put it right there. Okay, there we go. There. I hope that's correct spot. Let's do the thing, like the stars. Okay. Like, it's hanging on. I don't know how that was possible, but it is. Oh, not enough glue. Not enough glue. And yay! I'm done. Okay. Close this. And I'm done. Bye! Are the two Philippine flags that we did. Trivia time! Did you know that the 8th-rayed golden sun represents a province? These provinces are number 1, Manila, number 2, Bulacan, number 3, Cavite, number 4, Pampanga, number 5, Morong, number 6, Laguna, number 7, Batangas, number 8, Nueva Ecija. And those are the provinces. Bye!